I feel like the narratives from this fight have really given you a fair advantage. People usually say, oh, you can do this, that, but it really people are torn on how this fight is going to end. Do you feel like the stories are being told properly now in this matchup?
Some, but I'm not worried about stories and what people make up and what people write out. You know, I'm just worried about Saturday night when my hand get raised and how I'm gonna do it. I'm just staying focused and like I said before, this is my first time being on this type of level as a professional, and I'm here to stay. Make sure I stay here.
You look very good. You look very lean. You look very fit. How do you
Yeah, I ain't fat no more. They say I was fat.
You got this shit off. Okay, now watch this.
If anybody watch or broke, I lift up my shirt and let you.
Timing is everything.
Don't give them too much.
Timing is everything.
How Pacquiao's legs are returning, punching.
All of it.
This is a lot more than that, and I think Pacquiao knows this is a lot more than that. And you know, it's gonna be a hell of a fight. Who? Who's that? Delrose? I don't know. Which one is that? Hey, look, I don't know. I don't know. I probably don't know him as Delrose though. I don't know.
I heard diamonds.
Yeah.
What were you saying over there?
Oh, I got like this watch.
How much does this cost? So I can gauge it against what it will cost to buy my house.
70,000, but like for this watch, you don't do nothing to the face. I was influenced from the Detroit guys because they don't touch their Yachtmaster faces. They just ice out the rest of it and keep the face the same. Yachtmaster too.
Are you do you have tons and tons? Is that your thing? Which one thing is it?
I just love jewelry. I love jewelry, and growing up, I always told myself one day I'll be able to just buy whatever I want, and if I like it, I get it.
What's the most expensive piece of jewelry? We've seen a lot of different ones over the years.
I bought a bracelet that cost me $500,000. Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah, but I bought a bracelet that cost $500,000.
So after this, when a fight is finished, is that when you want to buy yourself something special, or is it just on a whim? Do you celebrate every fight by buying something special?
Not really, but after this fight, I'm really gonna just like what I'm doing after this fight. I'm showing appreciation through my family and my loved ones. So you know, I can go out any day and do whatever I want and have fun, and so after this fight, I'm making sure everybody is good.
I love watching the videos. Little boy, really does get down, fight with his sister. Would you want this fight for him?
Of course. And he won a box. So I know out of all my boys, I know 3 of them gonna box, and he's definitely one of them. No, I'm not letting no. I can't. Facts. I'm not letting her box. No.